What I am about to show you is gonna change your life. You're gonna wanna see this step by step. This is buttermilk fried chicken like you have never seen before. Let's do it. So here's what we got, guys. You go into the supermarket or the butcher, or depending on your budget, and you get these chicken thighs. These are from the supermarket. And you normally get about 2 for $5. And there is going to be, I would say, what, 5-6 portions out of this? Do the maths. Remove the skin and place the skin on a rack, on a tray like I have here. So the rack is just a little bit off the tray, a little bit of tin foil to catch all the grease and fat. And this is where things happen that you look at this and go, how has nobody ever thought of that before? Well, because I'm a freaking genius, that's why. So we remove our skin and we make sure to lay it out nice and flat on our wire rack like that. I'm gonna get back to that now in 2 seconds. Ignore that for a sec, but you can see the beauty of it. Quick wipe with the hands here. Now, we're going to remove the bone, okay? Because this is such a cheap dish, right? And pay attention because this is an important point. Because this is such a cheap dish, an economical dish, right? You can afford to make a little bit of a mistake on the bone. Oh no, I left a little bit of chicken extra on the bone. Damn, you're learning. It's knife skills, okay, for when you get to more expensive and better dishes and so on. But these are just simple little tricks of the trade. So we remove the bone. You might see a little bit of a knuckle here on it. Take it off. Keep all the bones. I'm gonna simmer them up for about 2-3 hours and make a fantastic chicken stock. Your chicken, no skin, no bone, into the tub with all the other ones. I'm just doing 2 here so you see and keep it all in real time. So we're going to remove the bone. Very simple. Scrape down like this. If you want to get good, nice, clean bone like that. In around the knuckle. Boom. Done. Skin, bone, everything removed. Why buttermilk, I hear you say? Well, buttermilk tenderizes the meat. Now, I know chicken is tender as well, but it just gives it a whole new level and dimension of flavor. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do here, right? No, actually I'm gonna do the skin first. I'm gonna show you that. Can you see that? Okay. Okay, that's our skin laid out on a rack. See what I mean? On top of a wire rack like that, on top of a tray to catch the grease. We are gonna roast this. Here's where it goes whole new level stuff altogether. We're gonna roast this until it is nice and crispy. It takes about 30 minutes or so. And all I'm putting onto it is a little bit of aromat. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. You can get aromat in every supermarket now. And salt, rock salt, flake rock salt. I only cook with flake rock salt. That goes into our oven. I'm gonna show you me putting it into the oven now in 2 seconds. When it comes out, we allow it to go absolutely, completely and utterly cold until we take it to the next oven. And then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do there. But for now, our chicken. Here's what we do. Cajun Spices, beautiful. In we go. A good, almost tablespoon. It can take all this flavor. Smoked paprika, same. Whack it through. You know now what we definitely are not putting into that. We do not put salt into our marinade at all. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. In about maybe 2 tablespoons. So look, don't get, you know me, don't get caught up on the measurements. It's about a tablespoon, give or take, of the 2 different spices, and it's about a tablespoon. Look at that. That's how much has come out of the jar. See, so I'm putting in that amount. A little bit of sriracha sauce to give it a bit of a spice. Same, about a tablespoon, tablespoon and a half. And now we pour in our buttermilk. And I have a pint in my jar. Do I need it all? I don't need it all. About 3/4 of a pint or so, okay? Now for the fun part, and I'm gonna jump out of screen in 2 seconds when I go wash my hand. But you want to get all that in. Mixy, mixy, mixy. This is the start. Ideally, we're marinating this overnight, okay? Even if you only get an hour or 2, then that's better. But ideally, it is an hour, or sorry, it is overnight. Or even at least 3 or 4 hours if you can. I understand, but look, imagine now, say today is Monday, you've done that prep there today, now your dinner is pretty much sorted for tomorrow. Give me 2 seconds, I'm gonna wash the hands. I don't have the technology to be recording and stopping and thising and thating, okay? But that's our chicken, and that's going into the fridge. I'm gonna wash my hand. And now, I'm gonna throw my chicken skin into the oven. Can I turn that around? Let's see how we get on here. I don't know if we'll be able to see it, but let's have a little look. Boop. Can we see my oven? Maybe if I get out of the way. Voila! We can see my oven. Wow. Isn't that amazing? So that goes in. Look at that, guys. All that's on that is our aromat and our rock salt and our chicken skin. And you're going to see what I'm going to do with this when it comes out of the oven. Here we go. Boom. See you in about 30 minutes. And see you in a couple of seconds. Crispy fried chicken skin. Oh, yeah. And we're going to let that go cold. And then we're going to blitz it into a powder. Beautiful. Now, chicken skin. Look at this. Look at this. Out of the oven. Nicely chilled. And we're going to blitz. So put up with the noise for 2 seconds while we make the most incredible creation. And that, guys, is the... Oh, wow, the smell of that. Oh, my God. That, guys, is the most incredible chicken skin dust. More expensive and 10 times more beautiful than gold dust. Next level stuff. 24 hours later, it's time to do the chicken. Plain flour, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, garlic granules, aromat, mixed herbs. Mixy, mixy, mixy. And then we're gonna take it to the next level. Chicken marinated overnight. Our lovely flour, I just showed you how to make that. Here's the difference. We took the skin off. Hello, by the way. Now we put the skin back in. You can make that a finer powder if you want, but I love the crunch on the outside that this gives. The only hard part about this recipe is not eating all that chicken skin before you make this, because it is absolutely freaking delicious. Simple, simple, simple. Now, I don't need my spoon. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna dunk our chicken in, and we are gonna dredge it in our flour mix. Comme ça. I'm gonna get one on the go now so we can see exactly what we do. Fat fryer, get it up, full blast, and dredge that chicken. Make sure it's fully covered in all your flour and everything. You saw the seasoning that's in it. Let's go in with our beautiful. Give it a sec so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the tray. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put that in for about 2 minutes. Take it out, let it settle for a second, and then bang it in for about another 2 minutes to cook it through. Let me do another one here so you see what I'm at. This is an absolute game changer of butter fried milk chicken. It is absolutely delicious. Well, I think it is. I've actually never tried this before. I was sitting thinking to myself the other day, this is how people come up with recipes in my game. I was sitting thinking to myself, you always take the chicken off, the skin off in butter fried milk chicken. Well, some people leave it on, but it doesn't get crispy. The actual skin, the batter does. How can we improve it? And this, ladies and gentlemen, is exactly what I have come up with. While we're bubbling away there, I have got sriracha sauce, I've got hot sauce, I've got mayonnaise, I've got a little bit of lime juice. I bought a lime since yesterday because I had no lime left. In we go. It is as simple as that. And now we just watch the wonder of our chicken. Oh my lordy, lordy, that is just absolutely delicious. Let me get a close-up on that while we're waiting 2 seconds. Let's take it out for a second. Just to drain, let the oil come back up to temperature, and then we're gonna drop her back in again. Look at that. Absolute delish. Oh, listen to the sound. Listen to the sound. Quick recap. Dredge the chicken into the flour, into your lovely seasoned flour. Put it in 2-3 minutes so it gets a seal. Take it out, back in for 3-4 minutes. Just check depending on the size of it. And now here's what we've all been waiting for. This is just absolutely, oh my God, oh my bloody God. Look at this. Look at this. Let's take that bad boy out. Let's put it here and I can, oh my mother of holy sweet divine and everything that is baby Jesus. Let's get this other guy on the go. Actually, no, I won't. It's going to make too much noise. I'm going to do up a few more of them. I just want to show you this. Look at that. Look how crispy. Look how amazing that is. You give it 2 seconds because this is going to be very hot. You put a little bit of salt on it. That is all you need because you have put so much. I mean, do you know what I'm actually going to do? I'm actually going to put this video up on my Facebook, YouTube, and everything. Normally, I was going to keep it for the OnlyFans page. Hello. I need to figure out my angles of the cameras, by the way. But this is just too good to keep a secret from the world. I need a knife. I need to show you all because I want you making this. This is unbelievably crisping your skin and then putting it back in. I have no idea if you can hear how crispy that is. But I can tell you, look at that, cooked to absolute beautiful perfection. And now, the moment of truth. This is so damn hot. Oh my God, doesn't even need sauce. Oh my God. Oh my God. The taste of the chicken skin. Holy mother. I've never had anything like that. Oh my God. You gotta make this. This chicken skin going back in, crispy like that, is an absolute game changer. Oh my God. The flavor of this, holy shizebuxen, is just amazing. A little bit of the dip. I'm gonna fry off a few more. I'm gonna get a nice little picture for you. You gotta make this. I haven't gone to all this hassle for nothing. Trust me. Oh, holy mother of God, this is just amazing. Oh my God, you gotta make it. This is a game changer. Buttermilk fried chicken will never, ever be the same.